Alrighty. What is going on, everybody? Day 4, the end of the code. It's a Friday. I'm low key. We gonna take things chill. Tomorrow's gonna be a bigger day for me OA wise. So yeah, just gonna be doing 1 or 2 problems here, trying to chill. But keep the brain fresh for the OAs tomorrow. So yeah, that's enough yap. Let's get into it. What's up, Caesar? What's up, baby? How you doing? We good? What about you? I'm chilling. I'm trying to get my head back in the whole recruiting season. But yeah, I've been better. I've been worse. For better or for worse, we still here. I think, like, unironically, if I didn't like commit myself to these streams, I'd be so fucking lost. But like, every time I'm like, you know what? Let's hit a little stream. Let's keep going. Okay, well. Okay. I didn't mean to have the answer open, but alas, we will prevail anyway. I've heard from 2 of my friends that the projects got started on any stream project yet. Not really. I'm like, I don't know, dude. I have like an hour and 15 commute, so I get home like low key late as hell, and then it's like I'm coding all day. So I really I gotta lock in like on the weekends really. But I am waiting on. I think you'll find this cool. I'm waiting on 2 microcontrollers that I ordered, because for a project at school, like a club, I'm trying to get like, if you like press a button on one microcontroller, it can like wirelessly communicate with a different microcontroller and like turn a light on or something. I'm gonna be doing that in Rust because that's like the language of our like solar team, or it will be. It's like we're porting to it, so pretty excited for that. Careful burnout. Yeah, that's why I'm doing like, I mean, if you look at the past 3 streams, it's been like 10, 20 minutes. Like, I try to keep a balance of like, I have to do this, but also I don't want to kill myself over doing this, you know? Currently studying the new algebra for my comp sci course. Hopefully you don't mind. Of course, man. Best of luck studying. All right. Let's look at this problem. I loosely remember this. Very loosely, though. You are given an integer array of piles, where piles at I is the number of bananas in the ith pile. You're also given an integer h, which represents the number of hours you have to eat all the bananas. You may decide your bananas per hour eating rate of k. Each hour you may choose a pile of bananas and eats k. Bananas, that pile. The pile is less than k bananas. You may finish eating the pile, but you may not eat from another pile in the same hour. Okay, so I think if I remember this correctly, we're binary searching on like all of the combinations of like from 1 to, is it 1 to h? No, it would be 1 to like, how would we be binary searching? Like, what's the max number? So it's an eating rate of k. So to guarantee that everything gets eaten, Maybe what? Fuck. Wait, why can't I think? Would it just be the max pile? Or what? Like a max pile times the number of hours? Yeah, that's worst case, right? Wait, no. What the fuck is worst case here? Minimum integer case, this you can aid 8. Dude, that's what I'm fucking saying, Caesar. These ones are like... Bro, I took the Citadel OA. I saw God. Integer H. So what? The worst... Or like... I'm saying worst case. But it's like... I'm talking about like what guarantees us to like always eat. And like it has to be something like the sum of the elements divided by h, because then you can just like eat that on average. I'm trying to think if there's a better way to do it, but I just don't really think that there is. You know? Like... Bro. Or is it just the max? I think it's just the max. I'm kind of being an idiot. Mid or n equals, what is this? It's like L plus... Or minus L plus L. Wait, no. Am I? Yeah. What the fuck am I doing? And then like, if, so this is like our number of hours we're eating. So it's like if ceiling of piles because there'd be that many bananas. Wait. Why am I so stupid right now? Fuck. This one's on you. I'm lost, low key. Bro, the thing is, like, I know this problem. And that's what's fucking annoying me. Also, my girlfriend is texting me. Ring, 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 ring. Because it's like, if we're checking at every point, like we're searching on the possible candidates of K. When do we know we can move our candidate boundary up? Like, okay, if yeah. We go over all of some of the last hours and yeah, I'm thinking like if we sum all of the piles divided by our current K, and that's lower than H, then we know we have enough so we can move our R down, and else we move it up. So yeah. I think I like that. For pile in piles. So if the sum of that is less than or equal to H, and our R becomes our M, else our L can be equal to our M plus 1. Then we can return M, as that's going to be a scoping issue. Would it be R? I think it should be R. Oh, I did not list comprehend. Hee hee. Really? Time limit exceeded. Shit. How? What's up, Ben? Forgot about this problem? Yeah. Dude, that's the same thing. Like, I know this because I've done it and I vividly remember it, but apparently not vividly enough. Because how is this infinite looping? Am I stupid? Like, we start at 1 in the max, calculate the mid, and if each pile is divided by m is less than h, then we do that in enough hours, so we bring our... What? Yeah, we bring our r down because we were successful, else we bring our L up because we knew we need more higher K. How the fuck is this wrong? Chat. Chat. I disagree that this should time limit exceed. Okay, let me just start printing some stuff. How many times are we? What is file too large? Huh? I'm taking this over to leak code, bro. Bro, I didn't even copyright. Bro, Nico's selling me low-key. Okay, so it's not a Nico thing, and it is a skill issue thing. But like, why? Because like, while like this is correct. Oh, shit pissed me off, bro. So it's just infinitely 4. Am I stupid though? Like, what the fuck is happening? Is it just this? None of you saw anything? None of you saw anything, and I'm the GOAT. What's up, Knight? Nobody saw that. That was the greatest problem solution. Did you land an internship this summer? I did. I'm doing web dev stuff. So, not precisely what I want to be doing, but people are great. Company's cool. So, no complaints on my end. All right, that took way too long for a fucking binary search problem. I'm going to go eat ice cream and chill. This has been fun. I will report back to you guys tomorrow on how my Wells Fargo OA goes. Yeah. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. 07. Yeah, Ben, I might have fucked it up. They did not reach back to me. No referral. So, unlucky. We'll do it the hard way. All right. Night-night.